Back to my channel, and I'm gonna be creating this look. It's more natural type, you know, the pop-up bling color, and I hope you guys enjoy this look, so keep watching. We're gonna start off with the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Then you're gonna want to put some chapstick because we don't want no crusty lips. You're gonna get a little brush or so. Get your foundation. Use a Wet n Wild foundation, and you're gonna get it. Take your sharp balls on fleek. Next, we're gonna set our eyes. I use It Cosmetics. This is for your under eyes, but I use it for my lids too. It works the same way because it's full coverage. But use whatever works for you. And yeah, we're gonna do that for our lids. And with the same brush, you're just gonna set your eyelids. After that's done, we're gonna go with the It Cosmetics Ultimate Mattes. And we're gonna dive in using this orange shade right here. We're gonna use a brush so fluffy that on your eyelids, and you're gonna blend slightly, as so. Once you're done with that, we're gonna go in this color, this type of maroon color, and then you're gonna put it on the inside, and then you're gonna bring it out to the middle a little. To give it more of a pop of color, but slightly, not too much to get the orange color away. Done with that, we're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna go in with this darker cranberry, and we're gonna put it on the same to darken this inner part of our eye. And then the same colors we put on our eye, we're gonna do it in the lower lash line. And since that's done, we're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna go back to the same little brush as before. We're gonna cut the crease as so. So we're just gonna cut it from like a half cut crease. So you're just gonna go from the lid. Then we're gonna go back to Jaclyn Hill palette. Grab this same cranberry color, but we're gonna now mix it with this dark. We have this like taupey brown type. We're gonna mix those two up. And we're gonna put that in the inner and outer corner. We're gonna go with the brush or so. This is here. We're gonna go in with the B8 Studio Pro Ultimate Neutral Palette. And we're gonna get this kind of goldish copper shimmer. first. I'm not gonna with the brush. I'm just gonna. And then that should be the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.